Divorce lawyers of Reddit. What is the most shocking reason your client filed for divorce? The husband wanted to divorce his wife after 5 kids and 30 years of marriage. After our first meeting, I knew he was determined. His money was on the line, and he wants to make sure his wife won't get anything after the divorce. When he came by our office, he told us everything. After 30 years of marriage, he found out that his 5 kids weren't his, and their father is his twin brother. His wife has been cheating on him. She then later confessed that her and the twin have been in a relationship before. She chose my client only because he is more successful, and the twin is not on the same level of financial success. This detail made my client more aggressive and deeply upset. Then the wife started demanding his assets and half of his wealth. Since they have no prenuptial, we filed multiple lawsuits against the wife. We made him freeze their bank account until the second trial to keep